Hello everyone. I was struck out by the network while sharing the beautiful songs of the birds with you. So I decided to go on with the spot camera, hoping that I still can catch some nice tone for you all to see. So please listen to the birds, and again share this moment with some other person, because there's a lot of things in nature that could make you feel happy that are not material. Alright, so let's enjoy the whistling of the birds. Good girl, tell us. So listen to the birds. Now you can hear that. You can see the wonderful scenes that you can view around here, right? So let's do this. Let's continue listening to the birds, and again talk about what nature offers us. The nature offers us a lot. Yeah. So thank you for coming, and let's enjoy nature. Just listen to those birds. I don't want to talk too much. Broken nicht so viel zu sagen. Grüß Gott. Grüß Gott. Ich brauche nicht so viel zu sagen. Ich brauche nur ruhig zu sein, damit das ihr hört, wie die Natur wunderschön ist. Hört ihr das? Ha? Grüß Gott zusammen. Schönen Tag heute.
Ja.
There's a woodpecker somewhere. I just heard it pecking the wood away. I think I have to walk towards that direction so that people can listen to it as well. The structures. And when I see them, I observe it. It gives me a lot of things to work on. Oh, the contrast is not good, but let me see if you can see that. See that? See the structure of that wood? Let me go to the other side. I have to be careful. Is that electric fence? Let's check that structure of the wood. So now you know where Ifeanyi gets his inspiration to do those sculptures of his. Yeah. So if you look at that, you can see how intertwined it is, and the structure of the face. See that? And that's all. Just see that. Yeah. Severs. The same thing goes here as well. Yeah. So yeah. There's a song that we did on Friday in the church that keeps on going into my head. It goes this way. This song has never gotten out of my head, you know. I've been humming it, singing it. I played a cajon to it. I played a cajon to it, and I got a record. I think you can check the video where I'm playing a cajon, you know. And yeah, I like that because it's like a pop effect to it. You know, Servus, grüß euch. That's a classic here. Very interesting song, you know. And the choir sang it well. So let's continue listening to the birds, alright? I would like this to go for 10 or 15 minutes so that we could be able to enjoy. So listen. Many here. There was as I said, I never wanted to talk too much on this series of video. I just wanted you people to listen to the birds and see how the nature is blossoming, and again what colors we find around nature these days, because we are approaching spring, right? So there's some you can see the bee is already pollinating, helping us out. Okay, these are the bees here. So tiny, there's one out here, there's another one here. Okay, and here is really some white rose. Yeah. No, taupin as well, I think. Not yet. I think this could be a taupin, but it's yet to come out. Yeah. So that's what I wanted us to see. And now I have to call it a day. And bye for now. Stay blessed and peace to the world.